Hello friends, I am Dr. Vikas Agrawal. So today we are talking about the treatment of the kidney stone. The treatment which we are discussing today is RIRS. First of all, I would like to say you what is RIRS. RIRS is a retrograde intrarenal surgery. This is the most common nowadays a technology for removing of the small kidney stones up to the 2 centimeter in the size. So now you have to ask how this procedure is performed. This is performed under your anesthesia into the operation theatre, and it requires the admission, and after the operation is started, so we would like to show you this is your system of the kidney. These are the 2 kidney. From there the 2 ureters comes down and the urine gets collected into the urinary bladder, and from there we start urinating. So we call it the retrograde because the urine starts from up to down, but our scope goes from below to up into the kidney. So now this has a scope which is very flexible, and it can go from your urine pipe up to the kidney, and it can go each and every part of your kidney like upper, middle and the lower. So this is called as RIRS technology, and this scope is very thin and it can go through your urine pipe, and from this scope the laser fiber goes, or there is a forceps specially designed for this scope. We can catch the small stone and can remove intact, but the bigger stone we have to break into the pieces and then we have to remove, or sometimes they come there its own. Now what are the complications of the RIRS? As you know, it does not require any cut, so there is no wound infection, no chances of major bleeding. The problem because the stones sometimes are infected. Even we did the urine culture, which is trial, we have given you antibiotic, but still when we break the stones, some bacteria which are stuck on the stones, they come into the contact to the urine and sometimes to the blood vessels, and they can spread into your blood. So infection is the most common complication of RIRS, we can say, but due to the best technology and best of the antibiotic care, it can be minimized. Second thing is, because we are going from urine to the kidney through a small scope, so there can be injury to the system, or we can have some small amount of bleeding due to the passage or the movement of the scope. Small residual fragments can remain there which are not very significant. This is the common complication of RIRS. But sometimes because your urine passage is so tight that we cannot take our scope up to the kidney, so we have to put a stent. So this is called as stage procedure. There is no harm to your body, only because your urine pipe is very tight, so we have to put a temporary stent. In week time or 10 days later, we can do the definitive procedure of the stone removal so that your kidney remains safe. So now the question occurs, is it requires to put a stent? Yes, RIRS is the procedure in which we dilate the ureter, so always we have to put a stent because we have small which is very invisible injury, so we have to stent the ureter. And second thing is, when we fragment the stones, the small dust remain into the kidney which comes out its own with the help of the stent, so it's important. And third is that if there is any infection in the kidney, the kidney requires to be drained properly. We put a stent normally for a week or 10 days or up to the 2 weeks, and then we can remove it with your natural hole of the urine pipe. It does not require any cut, nothing. So this is the best technology, and the next day of the surgery you can go home, you can do whatever you want to do your work. Now the question is, does any other alternative of kidney stone besides RIRS? Yes. If the stone size is bigger or the single stone, we can offer you CNL, which is percutaneous nephrectomy, or the ESWL technology, and hardly we require any open surgery or the laparoscopic surgery. So in end, I would like to say you, RIRS is a technology in which we do not put any cut on your body. With urine pipe, we pass a small scope, and even if you are having bilateral stones, so we can treat both the kidney stone in the same setting with the technology of RIRS, and the infection or the bleeding can produce some kind of the minimal complications, and otherwise this procedure is very safe.